Let's check out this beautiful home our team has listed in South Arlington, Texas. Sitting on a cul-de-sac in a garden home style community, this house is bigger than it looks with over 3,300 square feet. First things that greet you when you walk in are a half bathroom and then a formal office. And then also in the front of the house are the 2 secondary bedrooms. Both bedrooms offer plenty of space with high ceilings, walk-in closets, and a shared Jack and Jill bathroom. Continuing through the house, we come to a spacious formal dining room. But the main event in this house is its living room. This beautiful space offers open concept kitchen, living room, and additional dining area. Not to mention the switch-operated gas fireplace and large built-in media center. The kitchen offers a ton of storage space and custom dark-stained cabinetry, stylish granite countertops, and newer stainless steel appliances, including a gas stove for those who love to cook. Continuing through the first floor, we come to the primary suite. Rounding off the first floor, we come to the laundry room just off the garage. And then upstairs we have an additional half bathroom, as well as a huge bonus room that could be used as a bedroom, game room, or whatever you have planned. One great feature of this house are the back sliding doors that fully open with built-in screens to keep the bugs out but the breeze in. The backyard is the perfect size for entertaining or pets without too much maintenance in this garden home lot. The house has a nice rear entry garage for privacy, and again sits on the lovely cul-de-sac in a great part of town. Hey there, I'm Chase Hansen, your DFW Realtor. This beautiful home is in South Arlington, Texas. To finish off here, I just want to highlight 3 reasons South Arlington is a great place to live. First, South Arlington is centrally located near I-20, giving easy access to both Dallas and Fort Worth. It's also convenient to get to DFW International Airport with Highway 360, marking the east end of Arlington. Living in Arlington gives you the best of both worlds, giving you great access to the whole Metroplex with all its attractions and amenities, but also getting to enjoy a suburban lifestyle in a quiet, established area. Second is the access to the city of Arlington itself. With the Texas Rangers, Dallas Cowboys, Six Flags, Arlington offers great family-friendly entertainment and events, and it's got a super charming downtown area that has developed its own culture with great live music and restaurants, all near the University of Texas in Arlington. Third, South Arlington is its own established part of town with plenty of parks, restaurants, things to do without having to drive across town or get into the busyness of Arlington's entertainment district. South Arlington has a bunch of great parks and recreation spots for the family. It's near Lake Arlington for good fishing or taking out a boat. And you've got the Highland Shopping District and the Parks Mall, both in South Arlington, that offers all the shopping and restaurants you could need without having to drive across town. Thanks for watching. I hope you found that helpful. If you liked this house and are interested, I'd be happy to show it to you if it's still available, or help you find one like it. You can contact me at chasehansen@remax.net or reach out on Instagram at HansenRealtorsDFW to talk more. That info is also in the video description. Make sure you've liked this video and be sure to subscribe to my channel for more home tours, monthly market updates, and real estate pro tips. Again, my name is Chase Hansen. If I can help you with buying or selling a home in the Dallas-Fort Worth, Arlington area, I'd love to help. Don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.